want to understand your record. You've done a lot of pro bono cases. The June Medical Services case, was that a pro bono case?
Yes, Senator, I believe so.
Okay, so that means you weren't paid. The firm wasn't paid.
That's correct.
You just chose to do it.
The firm was not paid. As an attorney, I would have been compensated for my time.
Yeah, but the firm wasn't paid.
That's correct,
So
Senator.
you didn't have to do it to eat.
No.
Okay. And in June Medical Services, that was a Louisiana case, you argued that a doctor should not have to have admitting privileges at a hospital in order to perform an abortion. You said that was unconstitutional. Is that my understanding correct?
Senator, that case was unique because just 4 years earlier, the Supreme Court
Yeah,
had
but is
held
my
a very
understanding of
similar.
that case right, Counselor?
Yes, that's correct. Our clients argued that
All right,
law
let me
was
ask you this.
unconstitutional.
The New York State Rifle and Pistol Association versus City of New York. You represented the City of New York. Was that a pro bono case?
Yes, Senator, it was.
Okay, so you didn't have to do it to eat. You chose to do it.
At a large law firm, Senator, if you're asked to work on a case, in my experience, unless I was too busy, I believe I always said yes.
Yes, but you were a star at Melvody. I mean, you were a Supreme Court clerk. You can pick and choose your cases. All right, and in that case, you argued that a gun owner in New York City could own a gun in his home, but he couldn't take it, or she couldn't take it outside their home, including to a shooting range. Is that right?
Senator, it's actually a little bit different. Individuals could take their firearms to training ranges in the city, but that case actually focused on a doctrine of mootness.
Yeah, but you supported the New York's position to restrict the ownership of guns. Is that correct?
Senator, that case, certainly New York City was our client. There
Okay.
was a regulation on premises licenses and where
Right.
folks could train with them.
Right. I think most people know what the case is, Counselor. Now, the Our Lady of Guadalupe School v. Morrissey was another case you handled against Catholic elementary schools. Was that a pro bono case?
Yes, Senator, I believe so.
So you didn't have that you weren't paid. You didn't have to do it to eat. You chose to do it.
Similar to before, I enjoyed litigating complex cases, especially in the Supreme Court, so I would have agreed
Right.
when I was asked.
And so you were arguing against strike that. You were arguing against the Catholic elementary schools and against, at least from their point of view, their religious freedom. Is that correct?